What's going on, everybody? My name is Nick. I know that this isn't the normal voice that you're used to hearing on the channel. Me and him chopped it up. He told me come do some videos, so that's what we're doing. In today's video, I got a Drippin So Pretty type beat that I cooked up. Super simple, and I'm gonna let you hear like up to where the verse starts, and then I'm gonna break it down for you. Boom. So, I think it's pretty accurate to, how he likes his beats. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this down real quick. So off rip, I started with this guitar. The guitar is from Contact. And I really started with these bass notes right here. And then I just threw some top notes over it, real repetitive but catchy. Then I went ahead and just threw a pad down. So the pad is just playing the same notes that are playing on the guitar, but just playing it in actual chord form, if that makes sense. So like if I show you the guitar, these are the root notes over here on the pad, where the root note is right here, and then the rest of the notes that would be in the melody are here, just stacked up rather than spread out. And then I kept the bottom note, the D, I let it play the whole time, just so that way it would sound more fluent rather than it sounded more like a choppy pad, you know what I'm saying? So I'll let you hear that alone. Boom. So the effects that I have on the melodies are a love filter for the intro, like you heard when I played the beat. Valhalla vintage verb. Just turn the mix down, cut some of the low end, and then just an EQ. And then on the pad, I just have another EQ, and that's it. On the drums, my drums are all dry. Only thing I'll ever put on my drums occasionally is like distortion, saturation, or some sort of clipper. Like if I'm mixing my beat for like an artist that I know and I'm sending the session stems out, I'll like go in and like mix it heavy, like with like compressors and stuff, so that way it can be loud, but they can still record over it and not have it be bugging. Next, I got this hi-hat pattern. This is the first drum element I did in the beat besides the clap, which is just, the normal clap pattern. Next, I did the 808s. Then the kick just follows the 808 pattern. And then I have just a very typical snare pattern. Very easy open hat pattern. And then I just have some risers and little impact sounds that make the, it makes like just the beat feel more full. And then just the love filter automation to turn it on and off. And I mean, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, tell me what I should do next. Me and, the other dude that's on the channel, both of us, we're trying to make more videos for y'all. So please let me know. I have a couple ideas, so it shouldn't be a big deal. But, in the future, it's really easy to run out of ideas when you make tutorials and stuff. So it would be good to hear what people want to see rather than me just, guessing. So hope everyone that watched this learned something. I'm gonna try and go more in depth in my next video. Like maybe I'll cook it up from scratch or whatever. But that's it for now. I hope y'all have a good day and see you later.